Hey everyone, this is Priyanka Deo for New India Junction. We are standing right outside the factory where the sanitary pads are made. So I want to see how the pads are assembled at such a low cost. We're going to find out. If you follow me, you can find out too. Here we go. Now, this is the entrance of the factory. You can hear the machines whirring. So I think we have reached the room where the sanitary pads are made. As you can see, sanitary napkin manufacturing. It is right in there. They have told us to come inside, so here we go. A manufacturing unit in Okhla, New Delhi. One of many. But there's something special about this one. It belongs to Viomini, a social organization that focuses on women-led development and produces products that help social, economic, and environmental issues. Leader Prachi Kaushik talks about how the organization was established in 2015 by women entrepreneurs.
I was not able to help my fellow women. That much I wanted. So I decided to start an enterprise, a social enterprise basically. It's not something which is very commercial. This social enterprise addresses two issues. One is the women health and other is the women economic upliftment.
The manufacturing unit in Okhla makes biodegradable sanitary pads and diapers.
First product we have come up with is sanitary napkins, biodegradable sanitary napkins. I have noticed that the sanitary napkins available in the market are all plastic based, and a major chunk of the women cannot use it just because of their high cost. So there are two issues. One is the affordability and the second is accessibility, and the third issue also come that they are the big challenge for the environment.
The sanitary pads are completely biodegradable. This includes the packaging, the wrapping of the pads, and the box itself. Women in rural areas and urban areas also regularly use them. Learning personal hygiene and using these pads has truly empowered women in rural areas.
There are a lot of MNCs which are producing pads, but in comparison to that, if you go for Make in India, which is promoted by our Prime Minister, अगर हम खुद का product खुद इंडिया में बना के use करेंगे, that is a big thing, क्योंकि उससे हम लोगों को employment मिल रहा है and we're using something which we can be sure of. So that is the best part about this Viomini.
I belong to a Muslim community जिनके लिए शाइनेस एक बहुत बड़ा अच्छा चीज़ होती है. हर चीज़ में शाई रहना है तो वो चीज़ ज़्यादा होती है, तो उन्हें लगता है हर चीज़ छुपा के रखनी है. ये अच्छी चीज़ है हर चीज़ छुपा के रखना, कि वुमेन को है पर्दे के पीछे ही रहना चाहिए. तो इसीलिए लोग बारे में बात नहीं करते, तो बोलते ये सब बात. मेरी मम्मा भी मेरे को बोलती थी कि ऐसे ये सब बातें बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, छुपा के रखो, अच्छी बात है. मम्मा क्यों छुपा के रखे? इवन इन कुरान शरीफ दैट इज़ मेंशन. सेक्सुअल रिलेशंस के बारे में कुरान में मेंशन है, मेंस्ट्रुएशन के बारे में प्रॉब्लम मेंशन है. तो जब मेंशन है तो जानने के लिए तो मेंशन है ना, कि हाँ सबको पता होना चाहिए.
Have you seen them change?
Little bit, but it takes
How?
In their mentality कि अब उनको ये नहीं लगता कि इसको छुपाना चाहिए.
Now, I'm holding a box of Viomini pads in my hand right now. I have bought these online and I've completely switched over to this brand. I'm going to show you why. If you look inside the box, right? Here's what it looks like inside. Now, I have taken a paper packet just to show you what the pad looks like. So it's a little fuller. But once you open the wrapping, you get two pads in each paper packet. And if you open the pad, as you can see, these are the ones that I use. There is exactly no difference between this and any other brand that you would get on the market. From the wings to the stickers to the length of the pad. Yep. It looks and it feels exactly the same. Does the same job, but the only benefit here, and it's a big benefit, is that everything from the box to the wrapping to the pad itself to the stickers, it's completely biodegradable. So it is safe and harmless to the environment as well. So I recommend that you switch over to these ASAP. Today, even I tried making a biodegradable sanitary pad. Now I am sitting with these professionals. Apparently training is 60 hours long, I'm told. I've had 0 hours of training, but I am going to attempt to make my own biodegradable sanitary pad on behalf of Biomini. So I hope I make this organization proud. We will see. Here we go. And my pad is ready. It doesn't look bad. It's a good pad, right? Oh, it's a cutter. Okay, so I have cut my pad, and now the next phase is gumming.
You just put here and do the up. This will help your pad to paste in the undergarment.
So this brings the stickiness to the pad.
Yes. Take your pad. Your pad is ready for the sterilization.
My pad, it's ready for sterilization now. You can see there are other probably better built pads that are going inside. But if you sterilize this for 20 minutes, it will be antibacterial and antifungal as well. And that is how a sanitary napkin is made, a biodegradable one. I have the complete box here. As you can see, all these lovely ladies and gentlemen are holding different sizes, different pads that are available. These are available online. The manufacturing unit does much more than just assembling products.
फीमेल को मिलने से पहले मेल को अवेयर करना पड़ता है। सदियों से उनके दिमाग में ये छाया हुआ है कि क्यों आप अगर किसी घर की महिलाओं से जाके चर्चा भी करेंगे तो हो सकता है उनके घर के मुखिया इससे उत्तेजित हो जाएंगे, तू कौन है भाई। लेकिन उनको ठंडा करके समझाने से, प्यार से भी ये ज़रूरी है। तो फिर अब ऐसी बात नहीं है, एजुकेशन भी काफ़ी पहले से तो इम्प्रूव हो चुकी है, लोग समझने लग गए, समझाने से बात बन जाती है।
जो आजकल के बच्चे हैं उसको यूज़ करते हैं, पर जो महिलाएं 40 साल से अपने शादी के बिता चुकी हैं और इस चीज़ को यूज़ नहीं करती थी, उनको यूज़ करने का कारण ये बना कि उसको सस्ती दर पर उपलब्ध हुआ। और बियोमनी ने जो सहयोग किया गांव में जाकर, और उन महिलाओं के साथ जब एक मीटिंग हुई और मीटिंग में वो खुलकर बोली कि हमारी समस्याएं क्या हैं, प्राची जी ने बताया, मैंने बताया, और उसके साथ हमारी सोसाइटी ने हमारी हेल्प की उन लोगों तक उस पैड को पहुंचाने की, जो कि बहुत ही रेयर केसेस में होता है। जो महिलाएं बोलती नहीं थी, आज वो आके हमसे आराम से कहती हैं कि मैडम पैड चाहिए।
It's not just about making a sanitary pad that's cost effective and giving it to a woman. Through her social organization Biomini, Prachi Kaushik has built an entire ecosystem that is supportive, aimed at spreading awareness and also personal hygiene for the upliftment of women across India. A true Bharat Ki Lakshmi in every sense of the word.
Bharat Ki Lakshmi.
For New India Junction, this is Priyanka Deo signing off.